Hey guys, I'm about to go buy stuff. Look at this governor. It's a dog. You're coming home with me. Oh, what a nice relaxing day with my Mountain Dew America. What the freak? What the freak? Look. Check out my new dog, Foxy. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Do you have anything else to say or else I'll kill you? No. You're dead. Hey guys, now I'm back. Foxy! Did you do this? It depends. Am I an alien? Get away! Gun. Gotta bring it back up here. You killed my friend, I'll kill you. Impossible. I killed a cute dog. I killed a cute dog. I always have something. I have smoking with me. Yeah, and I have the graham cracker. Wake up. Wake up. We're cuddling. Guys, enjoy this doggy video, which was an alien for some freaking reason. Step back 10 feet. Enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, like, and if you're new, subscribe.